You just bought it. What was that?
Only vodka. Wow.
Electric suspension.
Here.
He's the guy.
Men can love each other without being gay.
3, 2, 1.
This is my brother right here. Remember I crashed his bike. Oh no! Look at that guy. He brought his stupid FZ. You know they got a ramp over there, guy. Excuses, I'm a dumb redhead. Back up real quick and hit the brakes.
Harsh winter months, 60 degrees.
I just want to go inside and look at bikes. It's like the same thing. Giving a thumbs up. That's weird looking. I'm following these guys now. They look like adults. Look at the guy in front. He's wearing high vis. He's clearly an old f***er. Yeah, he printed out MapQuest and studied them the night before. Ian's worried because there's a cop right there. Like he thinks like they're gonna care. Watch this. Just. Tommy! There's only police everywhere. Do you not have a kickstand? I'm following you because I think you're doing something. Ow! Well, here we are.
You remember the TheGardenSnake Patreon page? Oh my god, no, why should I be? Yeah, you should be. Hey, remember this guy? He joined the Patreon page. Now look at him. Bam! He's so hot. Oh, because he joined. Oh my god, where do I join? No, wait, I'm gonna show you some more. This is what a non-Patreon video looks like. Look at it, it's so boring. PG rated, that's gay. Well, look at the Patreon version. All you have to do is spend $1 and you get the expert version today.
It's just weird that you're not naked, Jake.
Yeah,
I think it's that guy.
he's the guy. He runs it.
With her.
Why don't you get really close to it? You know, the camera just totally likes that. Why don't you not aim it at my face? Look into the fake lens. Look off. I've never wrecked one of these. I got the new EU 3000. Oh man, are we allowed to sit on them? This is like a bilge pump, isn't it? Oh dude, this is a turbo. Come feel this.
Oh, Jake, this one has unlimited speed.
Unlimited. It's got a bigger tank on it. It's already got a 12-volt system because it's got electric start. So this thing's ready to rock and roll, dude. This big silver frame. We should have polished it like the old school days. We all. Dude, they looked good when they were polished. That was a thing.
These are serious. Oh my god.
300 real time.
No, it's got electric suspension. It's got to adjust.
And it's got the same grips they put on the 300 and the Grom and every other bike. How you doing? What's up, man? What's your name?
Steve.
What's up, Steve? What was that? You just bought it. What was that?
Only vodka.
What time is it?
11:20.
11:20. Well, whatever. I'm not your dad. That looks super fun right there. I have no idea what that is.
Comes with the iPad now, right?
No.
It's a little bike for $4,500.
Wow, that seat is great, dude.
I would rock this thing in India. You just
Summer
got
2018. Jake goes to India.
Indiana.
Jake goes to Indiana.
Realistically,
It's the budget value. The budget
Right.
version here. Let's be real.
Yeah. Right, you can touch the ground though. That's the best part about this, right?
Speed holes.
I only eat the finest of vegan cuisine, sir.
It's got the right color. I do like those colors. I don't like it. Looks like shit.
Hey, what's up, Jake?
How you doing? I mean, you think you want it. You're like, oh wow, but I don't think it's got. I doubt the suspension travel's that good on it.
I think it's definitely more form over function.
Yeah. Wow. For like 8,000. Right. I was saying, take this bike. Obviously, bring in the swing arm a bit, raise it a little bit, sell it for about $8 grand. I think I just saved Harley. You're welcome, Harley. Tent. Okay. What's gonna happen when the ground gives way in the middle of the night? Because you can just push that off you.
That adds 5 horsepower. Wow, it's got a TV and a sunroof.
Oh my god. Oh, he can't get out.
Thanks a lot, guy.
Okay. That was meant to be a great video.
Go get a screwdriver.
That is the coolest thing here.
They stole the show.
What is this thing? It's like a slingshot, but 3 times the cost, I'm willing to bet. New bike coming to the channel for 2018.
Tomato machine, and it force f***s the intake. You knew I was gonna say that, didn't you?
Shout out to
You have a tornado. Check it out, dude. It's the dog killer. Guys, look at the seat too. That's a neat color and seat combo.
Military green.
There's 2 of them in the transferable sticker. I don't have my cool little gnome sticker. Thanks, dude. Thanks for I'm Max.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What'd you think of that?
Now, feel free, if
Wow.
you want action, all the way down to the ribs and kidney coverage. 25 millisecond.
$11,000. I think it did. Dang, she's strong. Ray, you think you could fit on that?
Probably. I could probably not touch the ground on that one.
What happened?
She's knocked it over. She laid the Ducati over.
We need new fairings now.
This motorcycle show only has one place left to go. Right into the Would you? Do you kind of want to like Flo? Like, I know she's not that hot, but there's just something about her. I just want to like. I
She
want
has to stay in character, or I'm not doing it.
Oh yeah, 100%. She's not hot. I just want to her. I don't know why. I just want to do it. I can't explain things.
Something wrong with you.
F you. What'd you think about the show this year? I guess we've seen enough here. You don't want to get like a burger somewhere? A burger and fries?
Well, yeah, I think so.
Maggie's back. Woo! I know whose bike it is, don't worry. Bye, Ray! Bye-bye. I love you. Men can love each other without being gay.
Is that a Two Brothers?
Yeah. That's a Jake Two Brothers. It's a very specific Two Brothers. Let's make like a tree and fuck off. You did not do that pipe justice, man. It sounds so good. Oh, the videos never make it sound like it really does. Go ahead. Come on, go. Get in there. I spun it up hard. Holy shit, this is awesome. Where are we? This is awesome. So slick though down here. It just spins it up and you get on it. A lot of noises. Yeah! Oh, birds. You want to take him there real quick? Okay, let's take him there. He's visiting. They put barriers up here. They're trying to keep us out. You. He got in. I don't think the FZ's gonna squeeze. That's not gonna squeeze through the head cap. Yeah. Careful on this surface. You can ride it. I don't care. Oh, sweet, man. Was that truck there before? Gotta go, there's a truck coming. See, he's over there. Da, 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 da. Can you guys hear my bike running? He's pissed. Wonder what that's all about. He has a case at the Grumpy's, but this is the place to me if y'all want to eat there. Hey, there he is. We went all goofy way and I gotta go home now.
I'll just stay here and get lunch with them.
Dude, appreciate it, man. I didn't realize the time. I gotta get to a birthday party that's happening at my house for one of my nieces. Thanks for coming, dude. I appreciate it. Is that weird Miata that's not a Miata? Fuck all that. I want an Exo set. You know what that is? Guys, look this shit up right now. Sketchy Texas lane splitting. I don't like what you did. Here's my 6-shooter. Bing, 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 bing. I should not have come this way. Do you know the way? It smells like weed in here.